Hi everyone, it's Sherry. I hope that you are having a wonderful day. Crafting with those file folders, it just keeps getting better and better. Stay tuned. Y'all, gift giving does not have to be expensive, and gift packaging does not have to be expensive either. That is one of the reasons why I am a fan of using what you might already have. Welcome to my channel. I am so glad that you decided to stop by. And welcome to all of my new friends and to all of my new subscribers. Welcome back to all of my longtime friends and to all of my longtime subscribers. Thank you guys so much for the awesome way in which you support me and my channel. Today we are going to be using some more file folders, and we're going to be using this one today because I just love the bluebirds. So what are we going to be making with this beautiful file folder? We are going to be making this awesome Gable style box or bag, whatever you want to call it. Y'all, this is perfect packaging for any time, but as we go into the holiday season, this type packaging will become even more important because super easy to make and super economical to make. I'm going to give you a closer look in just a minute, but y'all know what time it is. It's time to make it. All right, y'all, so here's a closer look at the awesome project we're going to be making today. When finished, this bag is going to be approximately 10 inches tall, approximately 5 inches wide, and it's going to be approximately 2 inches deep. And I've zoomed in so that you can get a really good look at how cute this bag is. And so what we have is a wonderful bag that will hold all types of goodies, including pastries. You can just line this with some wax paper, parchment paper, or some little plastic baggies and tuck your goodies in. Or you can use this to package other gift items. And here's what you're going to need to make it. So we are going to need one file folder, and my file folder starts out at 11 3/4 by 9 3/4. So this basically is a normal size for a file folder, and this is a beautiful file folder inside and out, but we are going to focus on using the outside, and I'm going to use it in this direction. So let's go ahead and place it in our trimmer, and we're going to align it at 8. And we're going to trim off this part here. So then we're going to take it and place it in and align it at 11. And let's cut off that excess. So when folded, you're going to have a piece that is 8 by 11. So on the 8-inch side, we're going to score at 2. And I'm going to flip it this way, and we're going to score at 2 again. And then we'll rotate it to the opposite 8-inch side, the side that has the fold. Let's place it against the fold, and we're going to score at 1. And then I'll flip it this way as well, and we're going to score at 1. And so now we'll turn it to the 11-inch side, and we're going to score at 1.5. At 6.5 and at 8.5. And then I'm going to flip it over this way and do it again. So we're going to score it at 1.5, at 6.5, and at 8.5. And now we are going to fold and burnish all of those scores. And y'all, we're only folding and burnishing the scores that we made. A file folder like mine might already have some scores already made into it. We don't need to do anything with those. So I am going to go ahead and fold. And so now we're going to bring in the finger blade, and at the bottom of your bag, you're going to have a tab that we need to free. And so you just go to the 2 outer score marks and free that tab. Then you need to get rid of one of the corner pieces here. So I am just going to remove that. And then on this piece here, I don't need it to be as wide as it is because it will be my adhesive flap. So I am going to remove some of that. So my piece now looks like this. I have a narrow piece, then I have it all the way across, and then we have this piece here at the bottom. We have a tab here at the bottom that I also need to free. So now we have two tabs at the bottom. We have our adhesive flap, and we have the body of the bag. And so one thing that I'm going to do is I am going to go in the center of my 2-inch wide flaps. So I'm not going to do it here at the top. We're going to go down one, and I am just going to make an imaginary triangle from point to point. So let me show you what I mean. I'm going to go there, there, and right there in the center, and I'll just connect those points to make an imaginary triangle. That's just going to make it easier for us to fold. So when I make the triangle, I'm actually scoring into the paper, and that's just going to make it easier. So now I'm just going to take that paper and just bend it a little bit so that it will want to start folding. And so now, y'all, I can take my glue. We can place our glue on the glue flap. This is going to be a very quick and easy bag to make. And we're going to put it together by bringing it over and making sure that we have everything nice and aligned. Then I'm going to use my big old spatula to make sure that I have a really good stick on this. Go on the inside with that big old spatula and just really work that glue in. And now we can stand it up. I'm going to fold in the side. We're going to place our glue, and I'll fold over the back flap, and then we're going to fold over this front flap. Stand that up just to get it nice and straight. And so now I should be able to squeeze in, and my sides should go in like that. So this is really like a long milk carton. And so now I'm just going to take my hole punch, put my hole punch on the inside, punch one hole, and then I'll punch my second hole. And so, y'all, there are my holes. So to close my bag, I am going to use Velcro dots. Take one Velcro dot, and when I put my Velcro dots in, I'm putting them in at the top portion. That is the side that I actually want closed. So let's put that one in, and I'll try to show you what I mean. And we'll put this one in. So I'm not sure if you can see those Velcro dots, but there's one and there's one. So I'll peel away the plastic backer from the Velcro dot. We can stand this up, and now we have it closed like that. I am going to take one of my little birdie flowers. Very, very simple. Not going to do a whole lot. So let me slide these out. Has some nice little greenery on it. Then I'm going to take this cut apart that says, "Thank you, my friend." And it's got some blue in it, so I think I want to use that. And I'm just freehand cutting this. You can place it in your scoreboard if you want. So I'm going to put that right there. And I'm going to put my flower right there. So I'm going to do all of this with some hot glue. So even though that has a little sticker on the back, I'm going to take my hot glue, place some glue on that, and then we're going to place it right there. And then I'll place some glue on this. And so now we're going to place it, let's place it right there. And so now we have another beautiful bag. This one is just a little bit smaller than the other one because I made it wider. So we have a bag that is about 9.5 by 5 by 2. And so this is still a very nice size bag to be able to gift to someone. I am going to bring that first one back in so that you can see both of these and you can see just how gorgeous they actually are. And this is made using a file folder. So even if you don't have a box or a bag, you can still go through what you might have lying around your house, find something to make a box or a bag from it. And so guys, I hope that you have enjoyed today's fun, quick, and easy Friday craft. If you have, please hit the like button. If you're not a subscriber to my channel, I would love to have you join this amazing online crafting family. You guys, as always, please be safe, be kind, be the reason someone smiles today. Happy crafting, and we'll chat later. Bye.